Welcome! In today's video, we're introducing the Auto Data Recovery feature in WisGateOS 2, a simple way to temporarily store LoRaWAN packets when your gateway loses internet connection. Why you might need Auto Data Recovery? Lost internet during a storm? Deploying gateways in remote or rural locations? Using a cellular connection that occasionally drops? Need to make sure no data is lost during short outages. Imagine your sensors are still working, but your gateway suddenly disconnects from the internet. Instead of losing that valuable data, your gateway can cache it temporarily on the SD card and send it later when the connection is back. Please note, this feature only works in packet forwarder mode. If you're using basic station, the packet handling is different, and auto data recovery won't work there. In this video, we'll guide you through each step, from logging in to enabling auto data recovery and setting your preferred cache duration. First, log into your WisGateOS 2 Gateway's web interface. Enter the IP address into your browser and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be landed on the LoRa statistics page. Next, we need to access the packet forwarder mode. In the left side menu, look for Configuration and click it to enter the configuration page. The work mode selected should be Packet Forwarder. This mode allows the gateway to handle packet forwarding and data recovery during downtime. Now, find the Auto Data Recovery switch by expanding the Protocol Settings menu. This is the feature that allows your gateway to store packets temporarily during a disconnection. Turn on the Auto Data Recovery switch. Once enabled, the gateway will begin storing packets during network outages. Next, adjust the Keepalive Interval and Auto Restart Threshold settings. The Keepalive Interval determines how often the gateway checks the network for connectivity, and the Auto Restart Threshold defines how long the gateway will wait before trying to reconnect. Set these values based on how often you expect your network to be unstable. A shorter interval will check connectivity more frequently. Now configure the period for which the data will be stored in case of connectivity failure. This is done using the Keepalive Interval and the Auto Restart Threshold field. By default, the Keepalive Interval is 5 seconds, and the Auto Restart Threshold is 30, which means 5 times 30 equals 150 seconds. The maximum available settings for these values are Keepalive Interval equals 300 and for Auto Restart Threshold equals 60. But note that configuration in the LNS is needed. Adjust this setting based on your needs, considering the LNS settings. If you have many devices or frequent disconnections, a longer cache time might be useful, but remember that a longer duration means more data to upload later. Let's quickly recap what we covered. First, we explained why auto data recovery matters, especially when you're in areas with unstable internet. Then we showed how to enable the feature in packet forwarder mode, and how to configure the Keepalive Interval and Auto Restart Threshold to control how long your data is stored before it's sent. That's it! You've successfully enabled Auto Data Recovery on your WisGateOS 2. This feature will help ensure your data is stored during outages and forwarded when the connection is restored.